Class 5, chapter number 3, Food and Health. Student, in previous lecture we were discussing about communicable disease. So student, first now what is disease? So if we talk about student, have you ever felt very weak and just wanted to lie down in any situation in some time? So, did your parents take you to a doctor? Didn't you feel better after taking the prescribed medicines? Yes, student? Yes. Student, the reason you felt weak and tired, when you feel weak and tired. So, student, in this situation, you can say that you are ill or sick. So student, what is disease? So disease is a condition in which body or mind are not in a healthy condition. So what is a disease? Disease, it is a condition in which body or mind are not in a healthy condition. Student, we were discussing also the communicable disease. Communication, you can say that, and the diseases spread from the one person to the another, that is called communicable diseases. So student, now we will discuss communicable disease. So the communicable diseases can spread from one person to the another, and such diseases are called infectious diseases, and they are transmitted, or you can say that they are spread from the one infected organism, or you can say that organism person to the another. So what are the communicable diseases or infectious diseases? Yes student, communicable diseases can spread from the one person to the another, and they are transmitted, or you can say that the transmit means, what is the transmit? Student, there is a word transmit. What does it mean? Yes student, transmit means cause something to pass from one person to or place to another. What is a transmit? Cause something to pass on from one person or place to another. And you know student, the communicable diseases are caused by microbes. What are the microbes? There is a word written student, microbes. What is this? It means there is written the communicable diseases are caused by microbes. What are the microbes? Or you can say in other word microorganism. What are the microorganism or microbes? The organism are the tiny organism, very tiny organism. You cannot see with naked eye. You can see these microbes or tiny organism, very tiny, with an special instrument called microscope. You can see microbes or microorganism, microbes. It means they can seen only with a special instrument are called microorganism or microbes. Have you seen this coronavirus with naked eye? In open your eyes you can see this? No. So this virus also is a microbes, and you can see this coronavirus spread from the one person to the another. It transmitted from the one infected organism to the another. So these are the microorganisms. So these communicable diseases spread, or we can say that caused by microbes. You can say that, for example, bacteria, protozoa and virus. These are the microorganisms student. Now student, if we talk about student, the disease causing microbes are called germs, or you can say that in other word pathogen. They written as germs. What does it mean? Germs or pathogen, disease causing microbes. Those microbes, suppose this coronavirus, it produced the COVID-19 disease, so this is the germ, or in other word you can say that this is a pathogen. You can say this is germ, you can say that this is pathogen. So disease causing microbes are called germs. And you know, we have discussed now these germs are microscopic, cannot seen with naked eye. And you know student, these microbes may be present in air, water, food, everywhere, in rock also, in your body also, outside the body, in animals also, plant also, everywhere. They can infect air, water, food, plants, animals. They can live inside the body organism, everywhere, you can say that. Okay, I think you have understand student about this communicable disease also in microorganism. So first you tell me student, what is a pathogen or germs? The disease causing microbes, underline this point, are called germs, and these germs are microscopic, cannot seen with naked eye. And you know, these germs can be seen only with the special microbes, special instrument are called microscope. Okay student, there is a table also. You can see the following table lists some common communicable disease. You can see this: mosquito, cholera, typhoid, malaria, dysentery, polio, dengue fever. So student, if we talk about cholera, and it is caused by the bacteria, and what are the sources of this disease cholera? Food, water, flies. Next is a typhoid, yellow fever, you can say that. And you know the sources of this disease typhoid or yellow fever. Okay student, you can say that the sources of this disease is food and water. When you take contaminated food and water, when you eat contaminated food and drink contaminated water, contaminated means dirty water. Okay, and this typhoid is caused by the bacteria. Now student, malaria, have you listened this name, malaria? Everybody know? And malaria caused by the, yes student, mosquito, and caused by the protozoans. Protozoans means small animal, very little, cannot seen with naked eye, but there is a parasite, Plasmodium vivax. This malaria spread from the protozoan Plasmodium vivax. And dysentery is caused by the contaminated food and water and microorganism protozoa. And polio, yes student, and the source of this disease polio is air, contaminated air, and this virus is live in air. This polio disease is caused by air and is caused by virus. Now dengue fever, and I think you have you know, this dengue fever is spread by the mosquito and caused by the virus. Okay students, so we have discussed this list, the some common communicable disease. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss the communicable diseases may be caused or spread by these reasons: through an infected person, through food and water, and through air. And then we will discuss the prevention of communicable disease. So student, I hope you understand. So you should read this communicable diseases, what is the communicable diseases and how are the communicable diseases spread, what are the germs, pathogens, what is the microscope. Okay student, and you learn this table also. Okay students, take care, bye.